Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cheap 3D printers under $300 that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or someone looking to get into 3D printing without breaking the bank, this list has something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the ANYCUBIC X-Maker Joy. This 3D printer is specifically designed with kids and beginners in mind, making it an excellent choice for families or schools looking to introduce 3D printing in a fun and educational way. One standout feature is its compatibility with a smart app, allowing for effortless one-click printing. The inclusion of voice commands adds a unique layer of accessibility, making it engaging for younger users. Plus, it comes with a huge library of over 1,500 digital designs, as well as 15-plus themed design modules for endless creative opportunities. The design of the X-Maker Joy is colorful and compact, making it ideal for home or classroom environments. The fully enclosed structure ensures safety, which is a key consideration for parents. It also features a quick-release nozzle for hassle-free maintenance and a built-in camera for real-time monitoring, so you can keep an eye on your projects from your smartphone. While the print accuracy of 0.05 millimeters is impressive and the speed of 200 millimeters per second is decent, the build volume is relatively small, which might limit larger projects. The main drawback here is its focus on beginners, which means it lacks advanced features for more experienced users. That said, the ANYCUBIC X-Maker Joy is perfect for young creators and first-time users who want to explore 3D printing in a safe, fun, and user-friendly way. Pros include its smart app integration, preloaded design library, and kid-friendly safety features, while cons include its limited build volume and lack of advanced customization options. Next up at number 4, we have the Tina2 Basic. This mini 3D printer is designed for absolute beginners and kids, offering simplicity and ease of use right out of the box. The Tina2 comes fully assembled, so there's no need to worry about a complicated setup process. The auto-leveling feature ensures that your first layers are perfect without requiring manual adjustments. It also includes a removable magnetic platform, making it super easy to remove your prints once they're finished. In terms of design, the Tina2 is lightweight and compact, making it ideal for small workspaces like home offices, classrooms, or even dorm rooms. It features a dual Z-axis rail system for added stability, which helps achieve high precision during printing. With a build volume of 100 by 105 by 100 millimeters, it's best suited for smaller projects like DIY crafts and educational models. The printer also supports offline printing via a micro SD card and is compatible with the WeBuilder Slicer software, which is user-friendly for beginners. While the Tina2 excels in simplicity, it does have its limitations. The small build volume means it's not ideal for larger or more complex projects, and its beginner-oriented design might leave more advanced users wanting more. However, its combination of auto-leveling, portability, and ease of use makes it a fantastic option for those just starting out. Pros include its beginner-friendly design, fully assembled setup, and intuitive operation, while cons include its limited size and lack of advanced features for experienced users. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. This is a high-performance 3D printer that comes packed with features typically found in more expensive models. The Adventurer 5M has fully automatic bed leveling, ensuring a hassle-free setup for your prints. Its core XY structure allows for ultra-fast printing speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second, making it one of the fastest printers in this price range. The 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder and dual fan nozzles ensure excellent print quality, even at high speeds, and the quick 3-second nozzle change is a game-changer for convenience. The build volume is an impressive 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters, giving you plenty of space for larger projects. The dual-sided PEI platform makes it easy to remove prints, while the FlashMaker mobile app allows for remote monitoring and intelligent operation. The all-metal structure is sturdy and well-built, ensuring long-term durability. However, its weight of 23.8 pounds makes it less portable compared to some of the other options on this list. While the Adventurer 5N is an excellent choice for serious hobbyists and small businesses, it might be overkill for beginners who don't need such advanced features. Pros include its high-speed printing, large build volume, and user-friendly app integration, while cons include its heavier design and higher learning curve for new users. Finally, at the top spot, we have the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4. This resin 3D printer is the best choice for those looking for precision and detail in their prints. Featuring a 7-inch, 10K mono LCD screen with an outstanding resolution of 9024 by 5120, the Photon Mono 4 offers incredible precision, making it ideal for intricate models and detailed prototypes. The Light Turbo Matrix light source ensures uniform lighting, reducing layer lines and resulting in ultra-smooth surfaces, while the build volume of 6.04 by 3.42 by 6.49 inches is smaller compared to FDM printers. It's more than enough for resin-based projects. The laser-engraved print platform enhances adhesion, reducing the risk of warping. Additionally, the 4-point leveling system is beginner-friendly and doesn't require frequent recalibration. The Photon Mono 4 also supports power outage recovery, which helps save time and materials in case of interruptions. The main downside is that it doesn't support the ANYCUBIC app, and its smaller build volume might not suit large-scale projects. However, for anyone prioritizing accuracy, detail, and ease of use, this is the best option under $300. Pros include its exceptional resolution, smooth surface quality, and stable light source, while cons include its smaller build volume and lack of app integration. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in your search for the perfect budget 3D printer. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.